First, head to the Shopify App Store and search for Instagram Feed InstaFeed IG. Click Install, and you're all set. No coding required. Once installed, open the POWR InstaFeed dashboard and click Connect Account. You can either choose Basic or Advanced Connection. Log into your Instagram account to sync it with the app seamlessly. You can also connect with other social platforms easily. Once you make your feed unique and customized, embed your feed into any page of your Shopify store. Whether it's your homepage or a product page, POWR InstaFeed makes it easy to display your Instagram content. Make sure you turn on the POWR Instagram Feed app in the store, and that's it.